Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen and a happy Monday. An update on the kitchen slash my lab. The ants are basically gone, and I'm almost done taking preventative measures that I have learned, from professionals and from things you could find on the internet to prevent them, hopefully, from coming back. And my kitchen is now very, very clean. Not that it wasn't clean before, because it was. All right. The culinary expedition was in Laos yesterday, where I prepared pork larb, and I served that over quinoa. It was good. Very, very good. It's a very simple meal to prepare. If you've never have experienced larb, check out the recipe. And if you've never had larb, prepare it straight. Don't mess with it. Of course, I'll get the recipe up and posted. Tonight, taking a little bit of a break from the expedition. Just one day. I'm doing a Jamaican Style Tilapia, and I'm going to side that with basically a baked red sweet potato with goodies. Yeah, super simple meal. Let's get to it. And like I said, this is real simple. I'm using tilapia fillets, a little bit of oil for the saute pan. For the marinade, lime juice, green onions. I'm using Thai chilies, allspice, thyme, salt, and pepper. That's it. Now for the sweet potato, this is what I've got out so far. Of course, the red sweet potato, butter, salt and pepper, sour cream. I still have some of this wonderful adobo sauce and a couple cheeses. So this is all the software for today. So there was a question posed by our little AI assistant in the group. What is the simplest international or ethnic meal or dish for a beginner to prepare? What would you say? I said larb. All right, so on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.